In this video, you will learn 11 plus maths topic, subtracting fractions. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to master 11 plus exam techniques to land in your dream grammar school, start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Now let's have a look at subtracting fractions when we have like denominators. And the example we have is 8/9 minus 4/9. So like denominators is when both the denominators are the same. In this example, 8/9 and 4/9 both have 9 as the denominator, so therefore it is the same. So when both of the denominators are the same, you're going to have a look at the numerators. The numerators are 8 and 4. And what we are going to do is that we're going to do 8 minus 4, and 8 minus 4 will give you 4. And for the denominator, you're going to keep it as it is. So in the question, the denominator is 9. So in our answer, the denominator will also be 9. So this means our answer to this question is 4/9. If you guys want to know more on fractions, I've got a link in the description below and in the comments section below. So go check that out. Now let's see how to subtract fractions when we have unlike denominators. And the example we have is 3/5 minus 2/4. So we said that like denominators is when both of the denominators are the same. So unlike denominators is when both of the denominators are different. And in this example, both of the denominators are different. The denominators are 5 and 4, and as we all know, 5 and 4 are not the same. So when we have unlike denominators, we're going to use a different method, and it's called the butterfly method. And the butterfly method is when you multiply the numerator of one fraction to the denominator of the other fraction. So just like this, numerator of one fraction to the denominator of the other. So the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 4. So we need to do 3 times 4, and as we all know, 3 times 4 is 12. Now we have to do the same thing for the other two numbers, which are 2 and 5. So the numerator of one fraction and the denominator of the other. So 2 times 5 will give you 10. So once we've done this, once we have found the product, the next thing we're going to do is going to be to subtract these two products. So we're going to do 12 minus 10. And 12 minus 10, as we all know, is going to be 2. And that means 2 will be our numerator. So the next thing we're going to do is going to be to find the denominator. And to find the denominator, we're going to have a look at 5 and 4. And what we are going to do to 5 and 4 is that we're going to multiply them. So 5 times 4 will give you 20. So this means we've got a fraction of 2/20 right now. But if you notice, 2 and 20 have a highest common factor, which means we can simplify the fraction. If you guys want to know more about the highest common factor, I've got a video on that. The link is in the description below, so go check that out. So once we've found the highest common factor, which is 2 in this case, we're going to divide it by 2. So we're going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. So just like this. So 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. And then 20 divided by 2 will give you 10. So this means our answer to this question is 1/10. Now to learn more on 11 plus maths, click the video on the right. And to learn the previous topic, click the video on the left. So take your pick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.